It's not too much and they can recognize me. That's what they say. There's one lady that says to me, I don't like going to parties and doing makeup and having those makeup parties. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. In case you're new here, hi, thank you so much for coming to my channel to watch my video. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Please hit the subscribe button and also the bell so you'll be notified of my videos. I do videos about beauty, lifestyle, my hair, recovery from alopecia, and just general things that will interest you. If you are here, I'm sure you'll find my videos interesting. So please leave a comment in the section. Leave a comment in the comment section so that I'll know you're here and join the family. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you so much for coming back again today, and thank you all for your support. Thank you to my new subscribers. I think I've got about 10 or so new subscribers, and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So today I am going to be talking about makeup products. Not too many. Because guys, I get a lot of questions from people around my age whenever I go out, or if I go to an event or I go to church. I tend to do makeup, not every time, not every Sunday. Well, I do at least the barest minimum, but there's sometimes when I have a bit more time and I do actually do something nice, and obviously when I go to events, I make a bit of time. Because guys, I don't know, but paying £80, £100 for a makeup artist, anyway, because I used to do makeup for people, I really won't want to spend that amount of money. I'd rather use that money to buy new products. Yeah, so guys, I get a lot of questions, people asking me about my makeup, what I use, how I tend to end up looking nice, but at the same time it's not too much and they can recognize me. That's what they say. There's one lady that says to me, I don't like going to parties and doing makeup and having those makeup parties. Everybody looks the same. You just all look the same. So I just laugh anytime she says that. Anyway, so guys, I just decided that okay, I'm going to talk about concealing today. Concealing under your eyes, and maybe something simple using mascara, simple things that you can easily get. Because I think maybe what it is, some of the videos that we do, I think maybe there's just too much information in it, so it's difficult to flow, especially if you're a newcomer, if you're if you are new to makeup and all that. Yeah, I used to think that quite a lot of people know how to do makeup, but with the questions I've been getting recently, I don't think that's the case. Anyway, okay, enough of the waffle, let's get into it. So guys, today you know that I have been using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I've been using the phone. So that's the one I used actually for my eyeshadow, and I used it on my eyelids. I put it on my eyelids and then put a little bit of powder and then my eyeshadow. So, and I also used it to do my eyebrows. So guys, this is cheap and cheerful. It's just about, I think it's about £5 now. When I started doing makeup years ago, well, maybe about 6-7 years ago, it was about £2, but now it's about £6. But guys, I decided, let me try something else, something different, so that I don't just come here and tell you the same product over and over. It might not work for you. So people react to different products, I've gone out, I've done makeup for people and they said, oh, they reacted to some products. So really, yeah, not every product works for every skin type, So anyway, I decided to research a new concealer that maybe came out in the last 2 years, and I came up with this one. So I came up with this Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Radiant Concealer, and this is in deep. This is in 15, I think. Yeah, 15. And the reason why I picked this one, guys, I have to be honest, it was on sale. It was on sale. There's no way I was going to buy this for £27. Oh my goodness. For a concealer, when I've been buying this one for £5. That's like 5 times and a bit even. No. So it was on sale. It was like half price. And then also if you join Cult Beauty, you get some, I think you get 10% off, but I didn't get that because I've been using Cult Beauty for my products for quite a while. But I think I paid about 12 or 13, I can't really remember, which is quite expensive, because I'll probably be able to buy almost 3 of these, for that price. But anyway, I wanted to show you something, guys, so please appreciate me, appreciate the effort. But anyway, guys, this is the concealer. Guys, what they say this concealer does, I don't really know. But anyway, let me read it. Yes, the concealer seems to be a kind of special type of concealer that works as a serum according to what is written here. But anyway, let me read it. It says clinically proven results. Dark circles appear reduced by 40% in 28 days. Let me read that again. Dark circles appear reduced by 40% in 28 days. Skin looks smoother and more radiant by 43%. So your skin is 43% more radiant and smoother. Boost hydration by 173% in 1 hour. Wow. Okay. Hyaluronic acid. That's one of the things it contains. Hyaluronic acid. Golden vitamin C. Don't know what golden vitamin C is. Okay. Collagen and niacinamide. Niacinamide. That's a mouthful. Anyway, guys, yeah, and this is 15 deep. 15 deep. Don't know if it's upside down. Sorry, I don't remember how this thing's working. Anyway, guys, so yeah, that's what it says. So, guys, I'm not going to sit down here and tell you that this concealer is going to replace the serum. I don't really think so. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think it does anyway. I mean, still use your serum. I have videos on serums. I do quite a lot of videos. I've done quite a lot of videos on different serums. And I have one that I've just done, you know, which I'm going to upload soon. This is the serum. I talked about it in another video. So I'm going to upload that video as well. So guys, just make sure you you put on your bell so you'll be notified when I upload that one. But guys, this is the beautiful. Now, let me bring it out of the packaging now. I really love the packaging though, I must say. Packaging and also this. Really nice. And it's got the C on top. So we don't have the CC anymore. I've stopped doing the Chanel bags. So well, at least we've got one C here. Yeah. We've got one C here, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer in Deep 15. And as I said, this one was on sale. Not all of them were on sale. I think it was the darker colors, darker shades that were on sale. Maybe people didn't buy them. I don't know. But anyway, some were full price. Some were they were different prices actually. Some were full price. Some were on sale. Then there were different sale prices. Anyway, I just bought this one, and I think it was about 12 or 13, as I said earlier. Anyway, guys, let me go into it and just show you what it looks like. You know what, let me take a swatch. I'm going to take a swatch of my normal concealer, which is in Fawn, which I always use, and then I'm going to take a shade of this one so you can see that. I don't know if they're close or not, but yeah, we'll see. Let me see. So that's the Charlotte Tilbury one, and that's the Fawn. So Charlotte Tilbury is quite deep. That's why it's called deep anyway. So, and the undertone is deep as well. But we'll see. Let's try it. I'm going to put it on now. Really, the thing is, I want to show you how to use concealer. So let's just see. So this is how I would apply it. It actually feels really smooth, actually. Very smooth. Feels buttery and it applies easily. Wait, let's see. This is the amount I would put normally on my face. That would be the amount I would use. It is expensive. You don't use too much. Instead, spend a lot of money. Well, not spend a lot of money, but spend more money on things that will make your skin look like serums, as I said. So I'm just going to use the tip so that I don't take off. It doesn't wipe it off. But guys, you can see that this is really going in so smoothly. Okay. I like it. Maybe they are right. Maybe there's a bit of serum in it. I don't know. Yeah, possibly. And it's disappeared to my skin. What do you think? Does my face look a bit more radiant? It's already in an hour. Maybe I should come back in an hour and show you. 173% in 1 hour. Anyway, guys, let's just go into putting some powder. Okay. So what powder am I using? Okay, yeah, that's true. Let me show you the powder I'm just using. Sleek think this is the medium, and it's loose powder. Loose powder, just a little bit of it, just put it there for your eyes, just to set it. You have to set your concealer. You can't escape that step. Otherwise, it's going to move, and yeah, you have to set it. So set it, and then I'll just leave it a little bit. I'm not going to bake because I'm going to use my brush. Just leave it for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's 5 seconds. Anyway, let's wipe it off. Guys, what do you think? Let me move closer so you can see. What do you think? Yeah. So that's really how to apply concealer, guys. It's as simple as that. I wouldn't go using this one. I wouldn't use this one on my lids because as I said to you, it's a bit expensive for that purpose. So as I said to you, that's quite expensive. So I would probably use a cheaper one, which is the LA Girl. But yeah, this one, I must say, it actually blends in easily. Really looks good. And yeah, so I really like it. I do like it. And yeah, maybe I might keep it. I might use this one. It reminds me of the Shape Tape. I have a video on that one, but guys, if you watch that video, please don't laugh. Because when I looked at it again, you know, I just said to myself, is this how I used to do my makeup years ago? I think it's about 6 years ago, actually. There's the Tarte Shape Tape concealer that came out then. And I did a video on it. And I was looking at it a few days ago, and the makeup there looked quite a bit archaic. I don't know. It looks odd anyway. I don't know. But yeah. So guys, now I'm going to use my mascara. Let me show you. So this one here, Benefit, they are really, that is the one I really like, but they've come up with so many different ones now, and I keep trying all of them because I love mascara. That's one thing I love. So this is from Benefit. It's called the Fan Fest, and it's said to be volumizing. Is that the way you pronounce it? Volumizing, yeah. Fanning and volumizing mascara. They have the lengthening one. They have all sorts. I've used Benefit, they're real, and I still think that's the best one. But I always keep trying these ones. But the funny thing, I don't keep mascara just for 6 months. They say you should throw it out after 6 months. Guys, I still use my mascara for up to a year. Yeah, nothing happens to my eyes. So really, I don't know. If you throw yours after 6 months, let me know. And if it's wrong to use it after 6 months, let me know as well. Because that's what I've been doing. But yeah. Anyway, let me apply it. So this is the first coat. I'll just let that one dry. Everyone knows how to apply mascara, I guess. So this is not really a demo. This is just me trying to complete my makeup, which I probably won't do because I don't have blush and mascara. I don't have blush and highlights. I'm not going anywhere anyway. Just, yeah. I'm going to do that in the next video I do. Show you my highlighter, new one I'm using now. So okay. To be honest, mascara that is £8, mascara that is £10, mascara that is, in fact, I don't even see how much this one is. You can't look for it though. You can't even see it. Yeah. I think they all do the same thing, guys. Let's just, but yeah, I just like trying new mascara. I just keep believing that something magical is gonna happen. But this is nice actually. I like the brush or whatever they call it. They said it's meant to do something special. I can't remember what it is. meant to do. Well, I don't know if it's done it anyway. But yeah, I'll write it across what they said it's meant to do. Most of them are just marketing strategies anyway. But yeah, we keep falling for them and buying them, isn't it? Me especially. But yeah, I do like this mascara. So guys, that's it. That's actually what I just wanted to show you. I love the Charlotte Tilbury. How many minutes is this video? 15. YouTube tends to promote my videos when they're up to 20 minutes. So let me waffle on a bit. What else can I talk about? Anyway, guys, let me not waste your time. But honestly, guys, I'm gonna do a video about YouTube. I'm coming up to 7 years on YouTube. 7 years that I did my first video. I've been on YouTube, I think, since 2005. I think. That's when I set up my YouTube account, I think. Either 2005 or 2015, I can't remember. But definitely my first video was 2016. So I'm coming up in October. So I'm coming up to 7 years. So year of completion. So we believe in God for new things. But anyway, guys, I think I've learned quite a lot from YouTube, and I have quite a few things to share. And one thing I noticed recently is that YouTube is promoting longer videos now. So if your video is at least 15 minutes, you're likely to get promoted more than the video that is shorter. You know, so that's what I've noticed anyway. So yeah, guys, if you want more YouTube tips, stick around. I think I'll do the ones I did before. I've done videos on YouTube before and about how to grow on YouTube. But the person that is saying how to grow on YouTube, I'm still on 2,000 plus. So I'm not going to do a video on how to grow on YouTube anymore. But yeah, how to get your videos seen and watched by more people. Yeah, make them longer. That's all I can say. So guys, thank you so much for coming to watch my video today. I really appreciate you all. As I said, let me know what you think about this concealer. I'm actually liking it. My face does look different. Yeah, I do like it. It looks posh. Or maybe I'm just imagining it. Let me know anyway. Bust my bubble if you want to. Don't mind. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.